Okay now. Hi folks, how's it going? What? Well, of course it is, what do you expect? As you see, I've got an empty bench, and it's very rare I get an empty bench. And I've had something flashing in my eyeball for the last couple of weeks, and it's this stuff. Some of you might have seen it. It's been there for weeks, months, years, doodly. No, it's gone. My brain's just stopped dead. Right, we're going to see if I can tack that on there. Just like that. Let's see what it wells like first. Right, if I could do that, it would be nice. Now, Rob, you've been practicing. He's a bit goggly googly, but I think that gives you character, don't it? If you're a bit goggly google. I mean, just look at me. Put that on there like that. See what the look you got. Looks like a man will eat you. We got something like that. Hello. He knows you, he knows all of you. He's already your friend. It's really hard to cut them off with a flapper disc, mate. Don't never have you cutting all the way through because it'll spring and jam the blade, you know, and apparently somebody told me it fucking hurts. So I'm getting ambitious, which I shouldn't do, because I don't know what I'm doing. It's just purely messing around for I've got an hour to chill out with. The teapot short and out. Don't sing stupid songs, or you get a clout. I like that. Look at that. Keep an eye on him. Especially that one there, look. See him over there? Watch him. Keep an eye on him. I was thinking, should I cut his nose shorter, but I actually like his nose like that. So the Del Monte man, you see, you get that fucking along, will you? Leave it walk along, will you? Right, I'm going to try and get these. I'm going to give us that back. I'll take back everything I said about gloves. We have it like that, or we have it like that. If you have it like that, that's what's his name. See my pizza? Ideal, ideal. You've got to do this apparently, I don't know why they do it. Everybody I see does that. Is that on there? Fucking lovely, man. Alright mate, this is going to be my bestest friend in all the world. Going to be my only fucking friend in all the world. See, some of us, we need best friends. And this is my bestest friend in all the world, eh? What would we call him? What's your name, mate? What's your name? His name is Fuck Off, you stupid bastard. I don't like that. I'll put it back over there. That one is fucking perfect. This one is livable. So not great. Grants in the rays of a woman my age, Ruby, I realise. It won't be long, I've heard him say, until I'm not around. Hooray! Oh, Robbie. Don't call me fucking Robbie. I wonder what they do that for. Mama, she's making eyes at me. Just like that. We could put his hand on his hip like that. Like, you know, what's his name? That other fella on YouTube. Nah, I don't know. Sorry, Vince, I think you know. I like that actually. I do fucking like that. Another one who's doing that one. I can just whop that on there like that. About there. On the eye of the stainless. Lay down, son. This won't hurt. Well, it won't hurt me. It might hurt you. I think that's too long. I think that's fucking wildly too good. Oh, that's better. I like that. The stainless grit is a lot stronger than the normal mild steel. When it hits you, it stays up for a lot longer and it hurts a bit more. So be careful out there. Right, get in there, boy, and hurry up. Bit I got is hot. I'm not touching that yet because apparently it gets hot. Lean back a bit more, but that's a good boy. Now come on, open your mouth. There you go. Lean back a bit. Come on. There you go. See, you've got to talk to your best friends. Like me. I'm always talking to my best friends. The ones I have left, apparently. You can't love all the people all the time. Give that a rub over, the professionals. What exactly is this point on this planet? Well, he does come from the Neverlands. We peel them with metal knives. That's my little man. He's doing that now. Calm down now, calm down. He's doing one of them. I think anyway, talk to them while I clean up this fucking mess you've made. That's hot. I had to pick up the hot piece. You notice that? All the pieces I could have went for. Well, no, you gotta pick up the fucking option. There's a tea bottle in this. Arsey Mandulas. So I'll just put a little cover on it. A little flap on its flapper. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Looks like a little shaking your tail fella. Right, I've done a tail, like a tail for everything on his ass. There's his front. Talk to him, go on, talk to him. Talk to him. That looks evil, doesn't it? Yes. Gotta have that evil look. I like the evil look. Take that on, Rob. Flip a bit again. Fall over that if you want. You did put it there, you twazzer. There you are. The saddest thing I've ever made. It does look like Vince, doesn't it, really? Vincent! Right. Fuck off. Stand there and behave yourself.